We're in Priorswood today on Blackmoor Road to see this 2-bedroom semi-detached property with driveway for 2 cars. You've got a garden which is enormous, south facing. You have a utility, a porch. It's fantastic. It's got all the bells and whistles. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Somewhere where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease. It's been a long time since I felt the sunshine and didn't feel ashamed of the way that my shadow hangs heavy with doubt and turns the flowers grey. I'm sick of feeling low, I can see the stars shine, but I can hear my beating heart, gotta fall into my own arms. Second chances come around all the time, and happiness is nothing but a state of mind. So take me somewhere blue, take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue. Take me somewhere blue where I can breathe, where the weight in my soul starts to ease. I've been fighting the divine and war with my own mind, wishing for some change.
Okay, so I think you'll agree, not just a standard 2-bedroom semi. It's got a lot of bells and whistles, this one. If you'd like to book a viewing, give me a call, drop me an email or a text. Or if you'd like me to value your home, then I'd love that as well. Speak to you soon. Thanks so much.